This Woodhouse Group property video is presented by Marc Rhoades. Spectacular wooded and rolling 5.4-acre parcel on Elo Road just minutes from downtown McCall. Ponderosa pines throughout the property with open spaces and views across the valley and to the surrounding mountains. Property slopes off the rolling hillside down to level land with many building sites and excellent road access. No CCRs. Amazing opportunity to own view acreage in McCall with endless possibilities. For more information, review the details below.